Assalamualaikum guys, on this occasion I will explain a tutorial on how I make a micro teaching video. Let's get started. First, I prepared the material that I will deliver. I took the grading material. After that, I record using a cell phone camera like this and okay, like this.
Fine, alhamdulillah.
In this micro teaching practice, I don't use students because later I will upload videos to YouTube. Next, after the video was finished, I edit my video using CapCut application. Incidentally, this is my video project yesterday, adding the opening words and a little explanation in the video. Next, the video finished, I just upload it on YouTube. So like this, finish, so that my tutorial in making micro teaching videos might be useful. Bye.